Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for home appliances business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So you can sign up for free. So let's get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here you're gonna set up your website and the storefront. So click here, set up your website and the storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Okay, now the first thing here, click on the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you want to use. So for the home appliances, let's select this topic of the home here. Okay, and let's choose this one here. Use this templates. Okay, so the first thing here you have to do, you have to go to the announcement here and change this one, these announcements. After this you have to change the background and the announcement text. Now let's go back, let's move on to the header. So the first thing here, go to the site name, change your site name. After this you have to change or manage this navigation menu, the store and about section, the contact section. Okay, and the design of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive. So uh, make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size and like the color, and also you can add the frame outline to make it more clear and more attractive. So that's it, don't forget the simple details, it's more important to make your site looks attractive. So now let's move on to the next section, the store section. So before designing this place here, go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now click here, new product. Okay, so as you see here, you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your products and add here the image of your product. Add also the name of your products, the REF, and the weight on kilogram. Also here you can customize the prices options, and don't forget here the description of your product. Okay, so after you're done from this place here, just save this and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, the product name and the product image. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the company information, the same thing as normal. So here in the description you have to use this space to talk about your company or your business or your services, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. On the design, nothing special here, so it's just your favorite design, your favorite layout, and don't forget to design the background and the description. Okay, now let's go back. Now let's move on to the cover. So if this image match with your business, you can keep it just like this. If it isn't, you can go to the browser and search on home appliances. Okay, so you can choose one of these images here. Okay, I need just a simple one. Okay, I think um, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so this is after you add the description and the title and the tagline. So for example, in the description you can introduce your brand to your customers. For example, welcome to our site for home appliances. Okay, just a simple one like this. So this is just for example. Of course you have to add your favorite one. Okay, now let's move on and complete here the design. Description, I'm gonna change the size, the font, and that's it. um, like this. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the company information. So nothing special here. Just talk about your company and your quality, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Let's move on to the benefits. Okay, here you have to change the selling points. So you can delete the selling points and add yours. Okay, and here choose your favorite one. Just make sure don't forget like the simple details. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section, the customer reviews. So here you can add the review text and the author name, and also you can add the image here. Now let's move on to the design. Of course, here choose your favorite one. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section, the location section. So as you see here, nothing special in the first here, the title and the description. Here you have to add your business address and the exact postal address or the plus code. Also you can add the daily hours, the contact information, and the social profiles. And in the design, I rather you choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, I found it more attractive than the other ones. Now let's go back. Let's move on. So this is the last section, the future section. So enter your company name for the copyright or your store name, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, so that's it. uh, if you're done from here designing your website, you can just publish your website, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.